Top 5.
Scrubba. The patented washboard in a bag design of our travel washing machine gives a machine quality wash in just minutes, and you can wash anywhere. Perfect for hotels, hostels, camping, backpacking, dorm rooms, apartments, RVs, and scout trips.
Top 4.
Lifewit. 2 compartments with individual removable laundry bags. This hamper for laundry has 2 compartments, helping you to easily sort clothes by color and type, saving time for laundry day. Also comes with 2 detachable inner bags, making it easy to carry. No need to move the entire laundry basket.
Top 3.
Handy laundry. This heavy-duty commercial nylon mesh laundry bag is designed to hold a week's worth of laundry. Drawstring closure mesh laundry bags provide security that items won't spill out.
Top 2.
Handy laundry. Durable rip and tear resistant material with strong double stitching, holds up well in the washer and dryer. Secure drawstring slider to close neatly without tying.
Top 1.
SWISSELITE. The laundry bag with straps would be great for laundry room, camping trips, home, university dormitory, apartment storage, and hamper liner. The laundry bag with handles is your good choice for storing your clothes, underwear, socks, bedding, towels, toys,